Beautiful long signal showed up today, guys, on this master indicator. 400 tick winner straight up as these markets popped off today. All right, folks, let's get right into this video, man. There's no time to waste. There's so much to cover today. Let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, it is good to be with you. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you had a fantastic start to your trading week. Don't you just love starting off a Monday with like 400, 500 ticks in your pocket? I mean, when you have such a strong, powerful trading indicator, which we're going to get into, folks, this volume indicator simply will blow your mind. All right. But my question is, don't you feel good when you can simplify your trading? I mean, that's what it's about, at least to me. Okay. As opposed to these goofy idiots who were trading their candlesticks, their Bollinger Bands, and whatever garbage they got going on here, right? These people got their faces chopped off today on the chaos that printed in today's market. And speaking of chaos, man, I got to show this to you, okay? I actually got to start with showing you the crazy overnight move. All right, so let me take you through to midnight, or a little bit after midnight. This is where today's overnight sell-off really started. I mean, you can quite clearly see it with your own eyes, right? This volume indicator turned red here around 2:30 a.m. Okay, the whole world was sleeping, I get it. But I want to show you the power of a trend, man. Even when you're sleeping, the market is trending. You know what I mean? So anyway, this volume indicator turned red. You know what that means, right? What that means is there's a better chance than not that the market's going to start trending down. And so how you would look to play it is, number one, you want to wait to see if the move is real. Okay, the market's got to give a quick downward flush. And this just tells you that, yeah, this downward trend is real. There's more sellers than buyers, right? But here is the winning ticket, guys and gals. All right. The overnight sell-off started right on this bar right here, and this market cratered for 800 ticks straight down. Okay. And anybody who was trading overnight, I mean, I don't have a lot of them, but they are out there. Okay, there are some customers of mine who do live in other countries and who love trading the markets overnight. All I can say is, man, I hope that you actually caught a nice part of this move. I mean, congratulations if you did. Okay, but for the rest of us, okay, for the rest of us regular morning session traders, my goodness, let me see here. You can see here that the volume indicator, guys, this turned from red into green at around 8:48 a.m. this morning. You can see here this was caught on the timestamp here. And so right at this moment in time, you are playing it to the long side, folks. All right, shame on you if you try to short this market when it's so clearly and obviously green. All right, you're either long and strong or you're out of the market. There's really no two ways to interpret it. And frankly speaking, that's the beauty about this volume indicator color band. Okay, it's not open to subjectivity. It's not open to your feelings or your interpretations. It's simply green and red. Okay, when it turns green, as it did in this moment in time here, you are simply looking for longs. That's it. Okay, and here's the thing, you got to be patient. Okay, you got to be patient and let the market come to you. If it's in the market's destiny to have a huge green day like we had this morning, then relax, guys and gals. The market will give you a setup. And it's my firm belief that the market loves to reward patient and disciplined traders. You know who the market hates? The market hates goofy idiots who trade on these type of charts. I'm convinced of this, man. I've been convinced of this for like 10 years. You have to have some level of professionalism as well as a serious approach to your trading. You can't be a goofball. You can't be a retail trader. If you're in either of those two camps, you're going to lose. Okay, it's the professional traders and the disciplined traders that are the only two types of traders that make money in this market that we're in right now, which, by the way, guys, is a day trader's dream. And in case it's not obvious why there's a yellow box drawn around these two setups here, well, folks, this is a classic retracement. In fact, an argument could be made that there was a nice deep retracement over here. I was watching this, but I felt like that the move might have been overextended, so I took a pass on this, and silly me, this trade over here would have allowed me to get a much better entry than this trade over here that I actually took. Okay, but like I said, folks, in the market that we're in right now, you just can't fight the trend, man. This volume indicator is simply the best trading indicator I've ever seen. And look how strong a trend can be, right? Like, let me draw your eyes to the top right of the chart, okay? You're thinking to yourself, all right, Mark, you hit your 5-to-1 risk reward targets. Well, do you think the market's now going to stop and maybe reverse or at least slow down? And watch this. This freight train just kept running away like an absolute monster, okay? And I have to keep telling people that when a trend starts, okay, when a potential trend change has been identified and that trend starts, there's no force on earth that can stop a trend. Not you, not me, not Warren Buffett, not Goldman Sachs, nobody. And so if you can get your hands on a trend trading system or a trend trading style that makes your charts look significantly different than this garbage over here, right? Where you can now start seeing proper, highly targeted, and high probability entries, right, in the chart, exactly like we see here from today's morning session, then this is your starting point, guys and gals, on how to reap the rewards of a strong, powerful trend in any market. Forex, future, stocks, and options, it's all good. What a way to start the week, folks. Happy Monday. So glad you guys crushed it. See you in the next video. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.